In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain in Hostinger. If you want to secure a domain name for your website, business, or personal project, Hostinger makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact flow so you can confidently complete your purchase without getting confused along the way. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, start by looking at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account dashboard. From there, click on Domains. This section is where Hostinger lets you manage domain-related tasks, including searching for new domain names and purchasing them. After opening the Domains section, click on Domain Search. This will take you to the search area where you can check whether the domain name you want is available. In the search bar, type the domain name you want to buy. Try to enter it carefully, especially if you're purchasing a domain for branding or business use, since even a small spelling difference can matter. Once you enter the domain name, Hostinger will show you the available results. At this stage, take a moment to review the options shown on the screen. You may see different domain extensions such as .com, .net, or others depending on availability. Find the one you want, and when you're ready, click Add to Cart next to that domain. After adding the domain to your cart, the next step is to proceed to payment. This is the final part of the purchase process. Review your cart before continuing so you can confirm that the correct domain has been added. This is a good time to double-check the spelling and the extension, because once a domain is registered, changing it usually means buying a different one. When everything looks correct, continue to the payment page and complete the checkout process. After the payment goes through successfully, your domain purchase is complete. And that's it. That's how to buy a domain in Hostinger. It's a quick process. Go to the left sidebar, open Domains, click Domain Search, type the domain you want, add the one you want to your cart, and proceed to payment. If you're following along for the first time, just take it slowly and verify each detail before completing the order. That way you'll make sure you get exactly the domain you want.